Now click on New and then Page to create a new page. Enter the name of the page and click Edit with Elevator. After making necessary edits, click on Publish to save the page. Next, open another tab and access the WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance and then click on Menus. You will see the project page we just created displayed there. Tick the checkbox next to it, Add to Menu, and arrange its position in the menu structure. Finally, click on Save Menu. Now go to the third tab. Refresh the page and you will see that your newly created page named project has been added to the menu.